Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, you can't be replaced.
Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with RPGSHOW once more, and I got it in the same package as usual. Alright, so this drawstring bag is great for storage, so you know I always save those. And then I got the box inside. So let's see what we're working with for today's package. So this is a wig, which we'll get into a few. I got this little envelope here, which this just has the information of whatever wig we're working with today. So I'll get to that in a few. Got 2 packets of these Variety Oil Wig Deep Conditioner. It's for wigs and weave. So I got those. I also got a pair of wig caps. I got a wax stick. I got an RPG-SHOW magazine as usual. Really nice magazine. I also got a velvet headband. Let's open it and see how it looks. So this is a pretty wine velvet material. It's really nice. And then I also got this bag here. It says RPGSHOW. It's also great for storage, and they always ensure to send me one of these. So thank you, RPGSHOW. Oh, I'm already loving what I'm seeing. It's a beautiful highlight wig. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I love how ash blonde the highlights are. It's not brassy or coppery. I love this ashy vibe. This is so beautiful. I love this. Today's wig that we're working with, it's actually 18 inches long. This is a silky texture. Right now it does feel a little coarse because this is processed based on the fact that it's highlights. You can definitely tell that. So you want to always make sure that you detangle these wigs as much as possible so they don't get matted, or yeah. So that's really nice. It's a medium cap size that I got. It's a glueless lace front cap as well, and this wig is 200% in density. What we're working with today is a tinted transparent Swiss lace as usual. I feel like most of the wigs that I get from RPGSHOW are tinted transparent Swiss lace wigs, so that for one tells you that this is a top tier wig company. I've always stressed on that as well, so that's really good. As I said, this is a glueless cap. I'm always excited for these wigs because you see, even if you do choose to go ahead and apply these with glue, oh my gosh, they look so immaculate. You cannot detect the lace easily. It's really nice. So this is how the inside looks. It's already pre-bleached, already tinted for you guys. The hairline is already pre-plucked. Everything is already done for you guys really nicely. So it's a 13x6. So the mid portion for the most part is 13x6. And on the sides, it gets a little, it's not as deep, but we can get a nice deep side part or center part with the mid portion. And then we have an extra elastic band on the inside. If you want more security, it's also branded RPGSHOW. And in the very back, we have adjustable straps. Also, there are 3 combs if you wish to use those. And yeah, so now that I've shown you guys how this looks, let's go ahead and get to installing this. I'm gonna be doing a glueless install, by the way, guys. A glueless install. I move on, just to be clear, I always cut away the extra lace in the back. There is no need for this, in my opinion. Absolutely none. You don't want to forget to cut this off and then you wear it out with this, because I've seen it on people and I am thinking it's by mistake, but yeah, it to me just looks like a wardrobe malfunction. So I don't ever try my best to not forget to cut off this portion in the back. Super snug as usual. It feels so good. so secure. So as I said, it is a little coarse. So when I run my hands through it, I do feel that. You know, I'm getting minimal shedding. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. You know, with processed wigs, you want to be a little bit more careful with them, more caring with them as well, because they are processed. So you want to ensure you take care of them if you want them to last, you know. And I feel like the quality of this already feels so good, but those are just things to keep in mind. I feel like this lippy complements this hair color so much. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start to just, you know, cut off the excess of around the lid, the ear portion, and then I'm just gonna cut away all the excess layers because we're not using any product with this at all today. You know, this looks really good. So
baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come in.
So I'm gonna get started on just removing the excess layers. Appreciate the meltdown without any actual work, right? Yeah. That's how RPGSHOW is. Now you see why they're one of my favorites. Yeah. So I'm just gonna cut off the rest. You can't even tell that there's any lace there, you know?
Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what to do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I won't please you.
Okay. So this is how we're looking. Super nice. It's laying so flat with, you know, minimal effort. So as I said, the only thing I wish it was not, because it's coarser, it's on the coarser side, like, you know, it feels a little bit drier. So you want to probably, if you use any product in there, use it sparingly because you don't want to weigh down the hair texture or anything like that. You don't want to do that. But for the most part, it's really gorgeous. It's really gorgeous. It's giving like a nice little Beyonce vibe, you know. So what I'm gonna do is go in and I'm just gonna re-bump the front hair with my curling iron to get it to look you know, a little bit, add a little bit more pizzazz, refresh the front and make it look like, you know, it's definitely a 10. So let's get into it.
I want to share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on.
So guys, I also like the messy kind of vibe that, you know, the hair has. Like, it doesn't have that super uniform wavy vibe. It looks kind of messy with its waves, and I really like that because it gives more of an effortless vibe. So that's really pretty. And of course, no baby hairs. It just I feel like it's complementing my skin tone really nicely. And I haven't applied any product to this whatsoever. This is how nice and melted that looks. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about this down below in the comment section. As usual, you guys know that I'm gonna go ahead and put the direct link to this wig, so if you're interested in getting this for yourself, you could go ahead and do so. Also, you know, the specifications will be listed, so go ahead and check that out. Shout out to RPGSHOW for this. Okay, this is too nice. This is so nice. So shout out to them for this. This is gorgeous. I love it. Love, 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 love. Super easy, to the point, super beginner friendly. You can just slip it on, slip it off, ready to go. You know, so that's always a plus. Yeah, so that's it, guys, and I hope you found today's video informative, and I'll see you guys in my next video.